So number 4, the Psalm of Mizmor LeSodah is a psalm of thanksgiving. It's Tehillim chapter 100. Is to be recited while standing and with joy, right? Since it is recited in a place of the actual thanksgiving offering in the temple. So let me read the commentary and we're going to explain. The service of this offering was performed while standing and with joy, since it was brought upon the joyous occasion of having been saved from the life-threatening situation. So this is, I think, after Hodu, right? After this Baruch She'amar, or for Ashkenazim you say Baruch She'amar, then you say Hodu. So it's a psalm right after that. It's a small psalm, and if you see the commentary, many times sometimes you will skip the psalm, right? Sometimes. So we're going to see when. Okay. So, and they say, when you say it, you have to stand. Basically, Hodu, you can sit, but for this psalm, right after Hodu, you can stand. So, me personally, not to sit and stand many times. I personally try to stand the whole prayer, and unless it is Shema, when you should sit. Okay, I mean it's only 15 minutes, not a big deal. Okay, so continue. Likewise, from the passage of Vayarech David, and David blessed, in Devrei Amin, until the conclusion of the next passage of the verse Atahu HaShem Elokim, and HaShem God, the God, it's from Nehemiah, one should recite while standing. So this psalm, if somebody have a siddur and want to follow, so this psalm is before the Song of the Sea. So it's a big chair, like I don't know, like maybe page, maybe a little more than a page. So it's before the Song of the Sea, and it says in the siddur, so it is recited while standing. Okay. So in same way, when you recited the Song of the Sea, you also stand. Okay. And one should recite while standing with concentration and joy. Right. So commentary is, one should imagine that on this very day he just crossed the Red Sea. Mishnah Bruna. So I mean, yeah, go ahead. Somebody have a question?
Yes. So my question is like this: in the bracha it says, and David blessed the children of Israel, and he said to them, David blessed Hashem. David blessed Hashem.
Okay, yeah.
Said, blessed are you, Hashem. Then what? King of Israel? It says. I'm not sure.
Okay. Is it a question? You asked me a question?
No. This is going into the question. So question was like this. It says, blessed are you, Hashem, something, King of Israel, something like that.
Okay,
my question is, so from here, why don't we say, blessed are you, Hashem, King of Israel? Why do we say, blessed are you, Hashem, King of the universe? If we see the Vita Melech.
Okay, I see. So it's my personal explanation. I haven't read it anywhere, but logically, the way I see it, logically, because you cannot accept Hashem as a king of the universe. You cannot be responsible for all other nations. And as we know, the whole universe are going to accept Hashem as the king of the kings only in the days of Mashiach. Right now, they worship their idols, their Buddhas, their Yoshke, all of this Muslim. They worship other things. Only in the day of Mashiach. So today I can be responsible only for my nation. I'm not responsible for all other people. So, and we accept it, and it's actually one of the themes that is going to be very soon on Rosh Hashanah, right? We're talking about shofar, with three things, and one of them is Malchus. So we're talking about Hashem being our king. We cannot say he's king of the universe because we cannot force a king on them. Understand? But we can accept it upon ourselves.
But the thing is, in every single bracha we say, blessed are you, Hashem, King of the universe.
Okay, you're right. So what is the difference? I have to see the psalm, but Okay. Meaning in that case, so a king, you accept it willingly. That way I understand, right? So how the king is crowned. That's why half of the prayers on Rosh Hashanah services, we say how HaShem is dear to us, how many things He does for us, and we want Him to be our king. That's half of the Rosh Hashanah services, right? And here we say that when they do a blessing, for example, on over the apple, I want to eat apple. So HaShem is a king, meaning He's in charge of apple also. He's not only in charge of humans, but about all of the nature. That's my explanation. Make sense? So that's the difference. King over the people, or king over the whole existence. Okay.
Then why do when we see like a big Talmid Chacham and we have to say a bracha, why do we say King of the Universe on that one?
I'm not sure. I don't remember how this bracha sounds. I don't remember the word. I think we do say. I think we bless him that he gave a portion of his wisdom to that human being. I think so. Okay, so let's continue. Likewise, when reciting the blessing Ishtabach, he should stand. So Ishtabach is the last. We said it's a closing blessing. On Pesuke de Zebra, right? So and then the Shema start, the piece of Shema. Okay.